joining us. Today I have Annette Walker, who is the president of the City of Hope of Orange County. And we're going to be discussing her history with the City of Hope and also the medical industry, as well as a brand new operation that's going in the Great Park. Well, thank you so much for joining us. It's very nice to have you.
Oh, thank you. It's a real pleasure to be here this morning.
So I know you've lived in Orange County your whole life, just about, and you have some projects that are coming up that we're going to talk about, but tell me about your history.
Well, my husband and I came to Orange County in 1980 when we started our family. We raised our 6 children here. We have 12 grandchildren. Most of them live here. All of my professional jobs have been based in Orange County for my whole career. So I started way back in 1980 working for an organization called FHP.
Okay.
That was my very first job. But I've had a really great career working for all the major health systems in Orange County for pretty good chunks of time. So I really think I've had just a really unique opportunity to enjoy so much of what Orange County has to offer, both professionally and personally.
Okay, well that's wonderful that you've been here a long time. Now, I know that City of Hope is well known for their cancer treatments and research. Tell me a little bit about how people in Orange County are going to benefit from the new operation.
Well, City of Hope is very unique. I think sometimes people think City of Hope is a cancer hospital in Duarte. And clearly, yes, City of Hope has a very, very fine, large facility on its 100 acres in Duarte. But what they probably don't realize is that's just a sliver of what City of Hope really is. City of Hope also has 26 sites of care in Southern California.
Okay.
But uniquely, or interestingly enough, none of them yet are in Orange County. It has 2 large research institutions, one focused on cancer and one on diabetes.
Okay.
Yeah, it has cell manufacturing capabilities, which for some of the immunotherapies, they can actually produce the therapies that the patients are getting.
Okay.
And it also has a really strong genetics company as part of its portfolio, which in cancer is becoming increasingly important.
Well, exactly. I mean, I understand that precision medicine is something that everyone is talking about, so you can certainly contribute to that as well.
Oh, absolutely. Precision medicine is a strategic priority at City of Hope. And as we get better and better at not only defining exactly what your illness is, but predicting the therapy that will actually work the best for you, it's going to become increasingly important, and is every day.
And is every day. All right, very good. Does Orange County have a higher cancer rate?
In some, it depends on the cancer. Some cancers, we actually have a lower cancer rate that are attributed to lifestyle. But interestingly enough, in breast cancer, we have a higher cancer rate.
Interesting.
About 25% higher than the U.S. average.
Huh. Okay. And what about the other cancers? Not so much?
I'd say they're fairly equal.
Okay.
They're fairly equal.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. And then what would be happening at the new facility that's going to be built in the Great Park?
Well, right now we're spending our time really doing a lot of research into Orange County regarding what does Orange County have, what does Orange County need. We're looking at the population statistics in Orange County, we're looking at the cancers that are prevalent in Orange County, and we're doing a predictive analysis of how that's going to look in the next 10 to 15 years. And then we're saying, as we have that picture develop, where can City of Hope provide the most value? What City of Hope has that will be a great benefit to Orange County is the really subspecialization in cancer. So we have 500 physicians and scientists who do nothing but focus on curing cancer. And so we have, for instance, if I had a liquid cancer, a hematology cancer, City of Hope has physicians who spend their whole life studying just the cancer that you might have, and the therapies that work the best, and the cures that are happening, and the kind of person that would be most likely to benefit from a particular drug to treat that cancer. So it's about subspecialization, or it's a level of subspecialization that generally only an academic center can have. And because City of Hope only really focuses on 2 main diseases, cancer and diabetes, the amount of horsepower it can bring to that problem is really significant, and Orange County will hugely benefit from that focus.
Okay, and you have a facility in Newport Beach.
Yes.
Tell me about that one.
Well, we're really excited we announced just a few months ago that we purchased a building in Newport, and that we'll be opening it by the end of the year. And we really wanted to solidify our commitment to Orange County, that we're really serious about coming here, and also provide, to the extent that we can, as soon as we can, to alleviate some of the stress on our current patients who currently have to travel to Duarte for services.
Right, okay. And then you're also going to be building a large operation in the Great Park. Can you tell me some things about that?
The Great Park is more going to be like a campus dedicated to cancer, and to treating and preventing cancer. So it's going to be significantly larger than Newport. And it will have significantly more sophisticated services than Newport has. City of Hope is going to bring some of that subspecialty that we were talking about, and the research capabilities that City of Hope has from Duarte into Orange County at the Irvine campus.
Okay, great, great. And we're showing we do have a photo here. So the projection is that it will have, kind of like you said, larger, but it would be like a campus?
Yeah, it's going to be more like a campus.
Okay.
It's going to be more like a campus, and right now it's envisioned to be in that area of dirt that you see right there, just below the train station.
Oh, okay. Oh, well, that actually is quite convenient. So
it's funny. I think City of Hope's going to be the only cancer center in the United States that is actually adjacent to two major train stations, because the Duarte campus is actually across the street from this train station.
Do people ever take the train to get there?
Oh, all the time.
Oh, no kidding.
But isn't that funny? Because in California, it's not like trains are everywhere, but that both of our major facilities will be next to train stations.
Oh,
it's kind
very
of interesting.
Oh my gosh. Okay. So, and then if people want to know more information about, how they can get involved or learn more about what's happening, where should they go?
Well, we have a website that you can hear about us, but I also say just stay tuned, because as the plans for particularly Irvine become more apparent, we're going to be sharing that with the community. We're going to invite the community to help us design it and weigh in on it. We're going to include patients in that. So just stay tuned. You're going to see us in a lot of places.
All right, fantastic. And then we'll hopefully have you back too, and
you can
give us an update and
let
us know what's happening. Is there anything else you'd like to add?
I think there is one thing. When I made the decision to come here, it was really to answer the call of our patients who were here in Orange County. This year we had 3,200 patients who live in Orange County who drove to Duarte to get their cancer care. And when you hear that, it's pretty compelling to say, can City of Hope be of use to Orange County? Can City of Hope provide value to Orange County? So I want to particularly maybe do a shout out to our patients that we've heard you and we're coming.
That's great. Thank you, and congratulations.
Thank you so much.
And thank you for joining us. And if you would like additional information, you can always go to cityofhope.org/OC.